What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Before we get started today, I need to get some errands done, and then we get started on today's installation on that Perrin shifter bushing. So errands are done. Before we get started on that Perrin shifter bushing install, I'm getting lots of questions from people. A lot of you guys have been wondering what this is used for. I'll show you guys what it's actually used for. Alright guys, so as you know, that tow hook is not meant for rappelling, none of that kind of stuff. So please don't take that seriously. I was just doing a joke. None of those knots are the proper knots for an anchor point, so don't use that. Alright guys, here are the tools that you will need for this Perrin shifter bushing install. And of course the usual, your jack stand, your jack, and some chocks for the rear. Alright, so take note of where I'm at. My lip, skid plate, about a yard or two back from that skid plate, you will notice the covering for your shifter linkage. There's going to be two 12mm bolts. So get your tools and get those off. So now that you remove that shifter plate, you will notice the shifter linkage. So you're going to take your pliers and just remove this pin. Perrin suggests that you remove another pin. I believe there's one in the rear, but it's not necessary to do so. Once you remove the pin from the shifter linkage, remove the shifter linkage, and remember that your shifter should be placed in neutral when you're doing this work. Remove the shifter linkage, which is this, and then take your flathead screwdriver and put it in between the center of your bushing, and then maneuver it outside of this shifter linkage. Once you remove that shifter bushing, get your Perrin shifter bushing, and Perrin will provide you with some grease or lubricant. Take the lubricant and place it all around the exterior of the shifter bushing. You're also gonna note that Perrin made the shifter bushing bigger in diameter, and the biggest diameter part of the bushing then will go towards this mount. After you're done lubricating that shifter bushing, slide it onto the nipple. Then you will take your shifter linkage and slide the shifter linkage onto that shifter bushing. Once you have your shifter bushing and your linkage installed together on this nipple, you will take the washer that's provided from Perrin and just install it. Once you're done, take your pin and reinstall the pin back onto the shifter linkage. Go ahead and reinstall the shifter cover. Alright, so now that we got that Perrin shifter bushing installed, hopefully you guys can pick up that product and rep the benefits that Perrin has to offer for your 2015 WRX. Shout out to Perrin, thank you for that great product. The shifter bushing literally makes your shifts feel like butter. I really appreciate you all watching my vlogs. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.